am I doing? Sleeping. It's already nighttime. I've been sleeping the whole day. I'm off track. I need to get to work. A balloon and another ball. Wait, no, I can't get distracted. Okay, turn it around to get in. Alright, secret door open already. Alright, I'm in the secret base. Now I need to see what the kidnapper was doing when I was asleep. And on. Alright, he's not doing anything, just walking. Stay chill. Wait a minute. No, those are my Nikes. Don't even think about taking them. Why did he have to take those? Wait, what is he looking at? Wait, that's my very expensive purse. Don't take that! No, please! Wait, no. That's all the footage? Ugh, he probably took like thousands of things, and I can't even know about that. What am I supposed to do? I'm so off track. Nana of bananas. Wait, where am I? Why am I not at the secret base? Hey, someone, let me out! Hey, you can't leave me in here. What am I supposed to do? I'm trapped. Oh no. There's only one person who could have done this. The kidnapper. I know exactly where I am right now. He brought me to the area of tortureness. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Finally, I hit a wall. I definitely bumped into some new clothes. At least it's comfy. Okay. I'm out of the land of tortureness, so nothing could happen. What the? Hopefully nobody notices that I actually did fart. Ding! Wait. Was I the only one who heard that? This is a miracle. My computer finally got more footage. Now let's see it. All right, nothing bad, just walking. Wait, something seems off. I gotta play that again. Wait a minute. Isn't that right over there?